Nemati ni kuri undu na hi riu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu gicigo kia ubungi gia Thika imwana cia thukuru ikoretwo ikigiritania na thogora ya Kuendia Kimwiri kuria marathie nyumba-ini cia Guikenia nginyagia mehumbite uniformu.
Ni kwamba watoto wenyewe we also need to blame them because it is a choice. Ukitoka shule uingie kwa gari na uende nyumbani, those things do not happen. The issue of Monday can also be two way. Waweza kuwa pengine kuna vitu wameuza kwa shule, ama pengine wameimba, ama amendanganya mzazi.
No ndimwe kumithia wendera mikumithia. Okorwo no kuhotekeke matige kwira anake ati mathie makahurwo biro na kundu kuria magithie kuhurirwo biro no street ine cia kuria Airitu mari to an extent kinyanagia ndai na fununu ni maramahe mbeca makamahe mbeca cia rumu na cia kuriha muiritu na cia kugura condoms tondu kukina kinya shortage ya condoms Kiambu na to Kiambu ni Kenya yothe.
Munini wa County Commissioner wa Thika ya ithwiro Bogomathioya niwe wikirite horo cio mukonde akiuga thutha wa uthuthuria ni mahithuritie ati imwana ici ithomete waganu uyu thutha wa gutwarwo iterenge-ini ici thutha wa irua ari njira ya gwitheria thutha wa irua ni athuri aria matabanagia magongo na mairua.
Men go for initiation. Si kila mtu anasimamia na mtu yake. So wale wanawasimamia, those are the contact we are supposed to blame and to them accountable because they are wanapanga, wanalipia kama ni malipo ya kuja mpaka town mpaka hiyo mambo inafanyika. So we are advising all those who are concerned in this. Churches who are organizing, I know there are a lot of churches who are organizing these initiations. Kuna vikundi za wazee kina kiama na kuna even individuals depending on their community they come from. Those are the people we are now targeting kwamba they are going to be held responsible.
Mweneni wake munene wa Airitu aria mendagia Kimwiri Jeri ni orotete athuri aya na njira nene o undu mwe na arugamiria aria marugamagira mihang'o ino ya irua akiuga ciiko ciao ni ithiete na mbere kumathiukiria biacara yao amu riu ni maraguthurana na maabitha borithi.
Mbiriria undu ingienda kuga athuri akiama na mapastors ni maturehereirie maundu mangi maritu ati ona ni turarora tukona kinyanagia ni meguturituhira makiria ithu na turita organization ati ona donors aria matufandaga ria tuguthii gwitia fundings ni mekuhana ni mekuwithdraw tondu ni gugutuika Airitu itu ni mararipa ciana.
Ona kuri uguo Jeni ni ataririe ni mekirite mitaratara mikinyaniru na miagiriru ya gutigirira ati ciana cia cukuru itikuingira iterenge-ini ici ringi.
Ugithie na mbeca ri na muritu we barabara niguo ne mbeca ri ndinde gwitikira mbeca icio na mwanake akihumbite ni ahindi akihona na nenda gukihuna na mbeca na muritu we barabara niguo ne mbeca ndekurega koguo ni maratuingiriria mathina maria turaigua tutangima address tha ici ni meguturehere thina munene muno na ni meku affect the whole of Kiambu County.
Mafundithio maya mwana uyu araheo no mamurehere mirimu ta HIV AIDS ona no matume mwana uyu onage bata wa muturire thutha-ini ni undu psychologically undu uyu mwana uyu ndari prepared kana ndehaririirie undu-ini ta uyu.
Bogomathioya na uria ni muikariri giti wa ndundu ya anini ama commissioner kaunti ya Kiambu augite uyu ni ugwati munene amu wa gucungiria ugwatani wa murimu kimiri wa mukingo riu akiuga ni mambikite uthuthuria baranginyo gutigirira waganu uyu na wahuka kaimana.
We are making arrangements to ensure that we are arresting all those sexual commercial workers who are involved in this nonsense so that we can remove this activity getting root and growing its own lifeline. You also recall hata saizi mkienda pale hapa ndani Thika, we used to have those ladies riding up even in the afternoon. I'm sure most of them cannot find them today. We have ensured and encouraged all our officers both from national and county government enforcement officers to ensure we remove them completely from our streets so that at least can encourage other people to do what is required of them.
Handũ-inĩ ha Wega TV kuma gĩcigo mbunge gĩa Thika kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Kamau wa Gĩthĩnji.